Hello everyone, welcome to Rajasthan Technical University Kota. It was set up as one and only affiliating university for all the government and private engineering colleges of the state. UDRTU was earlier known as Engineering College Kota, established in 1981. This 40 years old institute was upgraded to Rajasthan Technical University Kota in the year 2006 to become a sole state-funded government technical university. Being about 40 years old institute, we are having a strong alumni base of more than 15,000 professionals working across the globe in almost all of the prominent countries, contributing to almost all of the Fortune 500 companies, major corporates in India, government services, social service and also as entrepreneurs. Situated on the banks on the river Chambal and besides the East-West National Corridor, RTU Kota has a sprawling 375-acre campus which is even bigger than many IITs and NITs. The campus was designed by world-famous architect Mr. UC Jain, having advanced labs and modern infrastructure to evolve as state-of-the-art learning and research facilities for its students. The self-sustained campus is having all the amenities such as bank, post office, ATM, 8 hostels, canteen, teaching and non-teaching houses, market, guest house, water and waste treatment plant, etc. The campus is having its own 300 kilowatt solar power plant supplying 50% of its energy needs and is expected to be completely 100% green energy campus with next year. The institute is accredited from AICTE and also from NBA as Tier 1 institute for some of its courses. Vision of RTU is to be an eminent institute of technical education and research through academic excellence and innovation to serve the needs of industry and society. Our faculties are well experienced and mostly from IITs and top international universities engaged in latest research and developments. In last 2 years, RTU has funded more than 20 faculty development workshops, 7 hackathons and 3 international conferences. Covering major streams in technology, RTU Kota offers 11 courses in BTech, 12 courses in different streams in MTech, 5 streams in MBA and also research work, leading to PhD degree. UDRTU has a fully automated and digitally managed library having a very rich and exhaustive collections of about 2 lakhs books and 7,000 valuable references. Apart from this, the library subscribes to about 1,200 reputed e-journals. RTU Kota is having a vibrant innovation and incubation center where ideas are nurtured and mentored to be successfully converted into profitable startups. Our startups have spread across boundaries and have now become big players in variety of fields. Some startups of a college are InfiLeague Motorsports developing talents, Winbee Solar Energy, Indian Mistri at-home service provider, Jugadi local transport aggregator, Bit2Byte automating farm operation, College Connection campus communication management, Sampurna organic farming, Indeed social volunteering, Shifu AI-based personal assistant. Recently, Shifu was acquired by Paytm, bringing us startups on a global radar.
Welcome to Rajasthan Technical University Kota. RTU Kota is a government-funded university having 93 affiliated government and private institutes. RTU Kota is the hub of technical education in Rajasthan and it is at key position in setting up the directions, rules, regulations and curriculum for technical education in the state. Our core values is to provide excellent, innovative teaching methods and experimental learning together with ethics and values which we term as Anandam. I invite and welcome corporate professionals to visit our campus and start a mutually beneficial bond.
UDRTU has a technical council of student activity center that has been working with excellence. We have many clubs like robotics, Society of Automotive Engineers, Aero Modeling, Technites, Master Builder, Wordsworth, Dance and Drama Club. We at RTU Kota have some good sports facilities which is resulted in an excellent sporting culture among the students. We have badminton courts, football and volleyball fields, basketball court, we also have table tennis and cricket field. Don't just work on your mind, work on your body too. That's something we have always been taught. Every year, RTU Kota hosts the biggest technical fest in Rajasthan, supported by the state government. THA, that means Technical Hexity Acumen Resilience. It is first of its kind to bring all students of more than 50 colleges of Rajasthan under one roof to showcase their skills, creativity and talents. Here at RTU Kota, we organize TEDx RTU once in a year. It aims to unite bright minds who are looking for some groundbreaking ideas to boost their skills. Here, the pioneers from various backgrounds inspires the students to learn, uplift and explore themselves. RTU hosts an Aravali Terrain Vehicle Championship, that is ATVC. It is a national level all-terrain vehicle designing and racing event. This event has been conducted since last 4 years. The track of ATVC has been regarded as the toughest track in India. From the very start, this event is very much popular amongst the students that it had direct participation of around 2000 students. RTU Kota hosts Anukriti the Culture Fest every year. Anukriti is inarguably one of the largest and coolest festivals of its kind in the state, to organize entirely by the students.
University Department, Rajasthan Technical University, Kota has been in the forefront of technical education, entrepreneurship, research and overall development of the student. The teaching and learning system in our institute is such that our students passing out from this college is always in the forefront of the companies and are the assets of the company.
Our college has a well-organized placement cell which has developed connections with leading industries, private and public sector companies, corporates and other institutes to facilitate and assist students to get proper training and placement. Placement Cell hosts a corporate interaction program which assists in conducting campus interviews, pre-placement talks, seminars, workshops and expert lectures from time to time. Some of our past recruiters are Wipro, Infosys, IBM, Vedanta, Adani, Havells, Aditya Birla Group, JK Cement, Ericsson, SR Steel, Siemens, ACC Cement, Microbosch Group and many more. UD RTU Kota believes in strong alumni connections, and that's why here we organize alumni interaction programs. The placement cell is responsible for designing such programs to bring students and alumni together. Through meaningful interaction between alumni and students, we can inspire learning and encourage lasting relationships. The placement cell hosts a variety of events such as alumni interaction program for students and alumni to interact and learn from experienced personalities for the betterment of their careers. Students benefit from the advice and guidance from experienced professionals, and alumni remain connected to the institute through live webinars, alumni meets and campus visits.
Welcome to Rajasthan Technical University, Kota. The culture of Rajasthan is typically associated with keywords like sharp mind, courage, enterprising, innovation, trustworthy teammate, and also aesthetics. And I assure you, when you will interact with our students, you will find such qualities in abundance in them. We have numerous positive feedback from our past recruiters about consistent and excellent performance of our students. We have 2 modes of campus drive here for you. One is you can visit exclusively for our students here, and second is we can arrange a centralized campus drive for the students of all of our 93 affiliated colleges. We are open to both. We once again welcome you to Rajasthan Technical University, Kota. Thank you.